Experiencing sound problems with your ThinkPad docking station? The most common cause is outdated or conflicting drivers. First, use Lenovo Vantage to run the audio troubleshooter. This tool automatically scans for and fixes driver issues in most cases. If that doesn't work, manually update your audio drivers through Device Manager. Locate your audio device, right-click, and select Update Driver. If problems persist, a simple restart often resolves temporary glitches. Ensure your dock's firmware is up to date via the Lenovo support site, as outdated firmware can cause audio routing failures. Finally, check physical connections to ensure your USB-C cable is secure and undamaged. Make sure your speaker system is connected correctly to your dock. If basic fixes don't work, adjust audio sample rates in the sound control panel. Set it to 48 kHz for optimal compatibility. For HDMI audio issues, verify the EDID handshake between your dock and display. This ensures proper audio data exchange. If using an older dock, firmware updates are essential to fix compatibility issues with newer audio drivers. Looking ahead, USB-C and wireless audio technologies are becoming the standard, offering more reliable connections. Lenovo's AI diagnostics use machine learning to predict problems and provide automatic fixes over the air. Future trends show a move towards universal audio standards that will completely eliminate driver conflicts for seamless integration. If hardware failure like audio codec faults is suspected, contact Lenovo support for dock replacement under warranty.